Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. As ethical hackers, we play a vital role in making these networks more secure. Ethical hacking involves legally testing and identifying security weaknesses. Think of us as digital detectives, hired to find and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys exploit them. We use the same tools and techniques as malicious hackers. However, our intentions are entirely different. Our goal is to improve security, not compromise it. This guide will walk you through cracking Wi-Fi passwords using Kali Linux. This powerful operating system is a favorite among security professionals and ethical hackers. Remember, use this knowledge responsibly and only for legal purposes. Ethical hacking is not about breaking the law or invading privacy. It's about understanding how systems work. More importantly, it's about making them more secure for everyone. Before we begin our journey into Wi-Fi hacking with Kali Linux, we need the right tools for the job. The most important piece of hardware is a compatible wireless network adapter. This allows your Kali Linux machine to interact with Wi-Fi networks on a deeper level. Not all network adapters are created equal. You will need one that supports monitor mode and packet injection. These features are essential for capturing the data needed to crack Wi-Fi passwords. A popular choice among ethical hackers is the Alpha AWUS 036NH. This adapter is known for its strong signal reception and compatibility with Kali Linux. When choosing an adapter, make sure it's compatible with your Kali Linux system. You can find a list of compatible adapters on the Kali Linux website. Investing in a quality network adapter will pay dividends throughout your ethical hacking journey. Now that you have a compatible network adapter, let's ensure Kali Linux recognizes it. This step is crucial for all subsequent steps. Without proper recognition, your adapter won't be able to interact with wireless networks in the way we need. Connect your network adapter to your Kali Linux machine. Open a terminal window and type the following command, ifconfig. This command will list all network interfaces recognized by your system. Look for an interface named WLAN 0 or similar. This indicates your network adapter is recognized. If you don't see your network adapter listed, double-check its connection and try again. You may need to install additional drivers depending on your specific adapter. Once you confirm your adapter is recognized, you can move on to the next step. With your network adapter recognized, it's time to switch it to monitor mode. This special mode allows your adapter to capture all Wi-Fi traffic in its vicinity, not just traffic intended for your machine. This is crucial for capturing the data needed to crack Wi-Fi passwords. To enable monitor mode, we'll use the Erman tool, a powerful suite included in Kali Linux. First, we need to identify your adapter's interface name. Type the following command, ifconfig. This will list all wireless interfaces and their properties. Note down the interface name associated with your network adapter, usually WLAN 0. Now, type the following command, replacing WLAN 0 with your adapter's interface name, Erman start WLAN 0. This command will start monitor mode on your adapter. Your interface name may change to WLAN 0 mon. You are now ready to sniff out some Wi-Fi signals. Section 5. Identifying and stopping conflicting processes. Before we start scanning for Wi-Fi networks, it's crucial to identify and stop any processes that might interfere with our tools. These processes can range from network managers to background services that use your wireless adapter. Leaving these processes running can lead to inaccurate results and even crash our tools. We'll use the Erman check kill command to automatically identify and terminate these conflicting processes. This command scans your system for known conflicting processes and attempts to stop them gracefully. This ensures a clean slate for our Wi-Fi hacking tools to operate without interference. Type the following command in your terminal Erman check kill. Review the output and ensure no conflicting processes remain. This step is crucial for accurate network scanning and data capture. Section 6. Uncovering nearby wireless networks. Now that our system is prepped and ready, let's start discovering Wi-Fi networks in our vicinity. We'll use the Aerodump tool, another powerful utility in the Aircrack suite. This tool allows us to scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks and gather information about them, such as their SSID, signal strength, and security protocols. To begin scanning, type the following command, replacing WLAN 0 mon with your adapter's monitor mode interface name. Aerodump WLAN 0 mon. Aerodump will start capturing Wi-Fi packets and displaying a list of detected networks in your terminal. This list will update in real time, showing you active Wi-Fi networks around you. Take your time to observe the output. You'll see various networks with their respective details. Pay attention to the BSSID column, which represents the unique MAC address of each network's access point. This information will be crucial for targeting a specific network in the next step. Section 7. Selecting your target network and capturing the handshake. With a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks at our fingertips, it's time to choose our target and capture the infamous handshake. The handshake is a crucial piece of the puzzle, containing the encrypted password we'll attempt to crack later. Carefully examine the AeroDump-ENG output and select a network you want to target. Note down its BSSID and channel. To capture the handshake, we need to focus our efforts on this specific network and wait for a client device to connect or reconnect. This connection process generates the handshake we're after. Open a new terminal window while keeping AeroDump-ENG running in the background. In the new terminal, type the following command replacing BSSID with your target network's BSSID and channel with its corresponding channel AeroDump-ENG C channel, BSSID BSSID W capture file LAN 0 mun. This command instructs AeroDump-ENG to focus solely on your target network and save captured data to a file named capture file. Section 8. Obtaining the handshake file. Patience is key in this step. We need to wait for a client device to connect or reconnect to our target network. This process generates the handshake we're after. To increase our chances of capturing a handshake, we can use a technique called a deauthentication attack. Disclaimer: deauthentication attacks should only be performed on networks you own or have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized use is illegal and unethical. A deauthentication attack involves sending deauthentication packets to the target network, forcing connected clients to disconnect and reconnect. This increases the likelihood of capturing a handshake. However, use this technique responsibly and ethically. To perform a deauthentication attack, open a third terminal window while keeping the other two running. Type the following command, replacing BSSID with your target network's BSSID, and interface with your adapter's monitor mode. Interface name AirPlay ENG -010, a BSSID C FFFFFFF interface. This command sends 10 deauthentication packets to the target network. If successful, you should see a handshake capture in your AeroDump-ENG output. Section 9. Decrypting the WPA2 password. We've successfully captured the handshake. Now comes the cracking phase. We'll use AirCrack-ENG, the password cracking tool in the AirCrack-ENG suite, to attempt to decrypt the WPA2 password. AirCrack-ENG utilizes dictionary attacks or brute force methods to crack the password, testing numerous possibilities against the captured handshake. First, locate your captured handshake file. It should be in the same directory where you executed the AeroDump-ENG command earlier. The file extension is .cap. Now type the following command, replacing capture-file.cap with your handshake file name and wordlist.txt with the path to your wordlist AirCrack-ENG www.wordlist.text capture-file.cap. AirCrack-ENG will start testing passwords from your word list against the captured handshake. The time it takes to crack the password depends on the password's complexity and the word list's size. If the password is found, it will be displayed in the terminal. Section 10. The significance of ethical hacking. Congratulations! You've successfully cracked a Wi-Fi password using Kali Linux. Remember, this knowledge should only be used for ethical and legal purposes. Unauthorized access to wireless networks is a crime, and ethical hackers operate within the boundaries of the law. Ethical hacking plays a vital role in cybersecurity. By identifying and fixing vulnerabilities, we create a safer digital world. Every successful crack highlights a security flaw that needs addressing. Report your findings responsibly, helping network administrators strengthen their security posture. As you continue your journey in ethical hacking, always remember your responsibility. Use your skills for good, helping to protect information and ensure a safer online experience for everyone.